Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to create a password protected zip file in CentOS Stream 9 OS in GUI mode. Okay. So first I open the file explorer. I am going to compress the directory. So right click the directory. In context menu you can see the option called compress. Press compress. So once you select the compress, you can see a lot of zipping options like tar.gz, .7zip, .zip. So I have chosen the .zip with the lock symbol because this option only will ask for password. So I am compressing the directory with password now. So compression is completed. So next step what I am going to do is copy this compressed zip file, paste in separate location. I am going to extract here. See here, now it's asking for a password whatever I provided during compression. So provide the password. So files are uncompressed successfully. So this is the way we need to compress files and folders and generated a password protected zip file in CentOS Stream 9 in GUI mode.